Hi everyone, Kate here, and this week I'll be sharing another 1920s cold cream recipe. This formulation is actually a mix of two different recipes from the book Practical Use of Raw Materials in the Beauty Parlor, which was published in 1924. I started off with cold cream formula number 1, and as this recipe merely states to perfume with a few drops of any essential or floral oil, I've used the perfume blend from cold cream formula number 6. This scent blend is a mix of orange blossom, bergamot, rose, ylang ylang, and vanilla. So, without any further ado, let's begin. For this recipe, you will need 7 grams of beeswax, 8 grams of jojoba oil, 57 grams of sweet almond oil, 28 grams of a neroli water or an orange blossom water, as well as bergamot essential oil, rose essential oil, ylang ylang essential oil, and a vanilla essential oil. Another optional ingredient is a broad spectrum preservative. This will greatly extend the shelf life of the product from a couple weeks to over a year. I like to use Optifin Plus as it is both formaldehyde and paraben free. If you prefer not to use a preservative, I'd recommend keeping the final cold cream in the fridge to help keep it fresh as long as possible. To begin, pour the oils and wax into a double boiler and melt over a low heat. Once the wax is fully melted, it's time to add in the water. I normally preheat my water and then add it, but this time round I decided to experiment with a slightly different technique. All I did was add the water straight to the double boiler with the oils. At first, this will cause a few lumps, but as the mixture heats up, it will melt again into a smooth liquid. At this point, remove from the heat. As the cold cream cools, beat it together using an electric mixer. Once it is partially cooled and started to thicken, it's time to add in your essential oils. This can be 5 to 10 drops of any skin-safe essential oil, but the mix that I've gone for this time round is 1 drop of bergamot essential oil, 3 drops of a rose essential oil, 3 drops of a ylang ylang essential oil, and 5 drops of the vanilla essential oil. Next, if using, add in your preservative. Amount will vary by brand, but for Optifin Plus, it should be about 1% of the formula by weight. To figure this out, you'll need to weigh your final cream. Earlier, I measured the weight of the empty bowl, so I can simply subtract that to get the weight of the cold cream alone. Then, multiply the weight by 0.01. This will give you the weight of preservative to add, and it should be close to about 1 gram for this recipe. Stir in the preservative and continue to beat the cold cream until it is completely cooled and thickened. Scoop into a container and let it sit overnight to fully set. The final cream is a rich, silky, mid-weight moisturizer with a delicate floral aroma. It makes for a great face cream, makeup remover, hand cream, body cream, etc. Well, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.